Embarking on the journey to become an Amazon affiliate opens the door to a world of possibilities, turning your online presence into a potential revenue stream. By seamlessly integrating Amazon's affiliate program into your website or social media platforms, you can earn commissions while sharing products you love with your audience. Here's a roadmap to kickstart your affiliate adventure. Sign up for Amazon Associates. Begin by registering on the Amazon Associates website, providing essential information about your online space. Craft quality content. Develop engaging and relevant content on your chosen platform, whether it's a blog, social media channel, or both. Generate unique affiliate links. Utilize your Amazon Associates dashboard to create distinctive affiliate links for the products you wish to promote. Strategically integrate links. Thoughtfully incorporate your affiliate links into your content, ensuring a seamless and valuable experience for your audience. Track and analyze performance. Leverage Amazon Associates reporting tools to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings, refining your strategy based on performance metrics. Adhere to Amazon's policies. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's operating agreement and policies to maintain a compliant and successful affiliate partnership. Explore diverse promotion channels. Experiment with various promotional channels, diversifying your reach to maximize the earning potential of your Amazon affiliate venture.